recording start करना है. Okay. So guys, I'll show you how to raise PI, that is quotation for the client. Process is again same. We'll go to the gateway of Tally. We'll discuss the payment terms, then delivery charges, everything with Sir first before quotation. So it is DSS again, shortcut. We'll go to the proforma invoice. For example, there is one client named Pujar Process. He is from Karnataka. He always share PO on mail. So now he is asking for 3M 365010 two roles. So I'll share him the quotation to accept the same to process the order. So the last PI raised with number. So the last PI is raised with number 513. So the steps are same. For issuing new PI, the shortcut is Alt A, and to reflect the last number, it is Control R. Remove 3, mention 4, date is 19 Feb. So here, Pujar Process. So the payment term with Pujar is 7 days after delivery or after receipt of material, you can say. Other reference, there is no other reference. Terms of delivery, we send this material by SRS Travels. Destination is Davangere. Davangere is city in Karnataka. After receiving the LR, we can mention here. LR we can also call docket. So in this case of Pujar process, we have 365010 material available in our godown. In case we don't have material, but client is placing the order, then we also have to mention the timeline for the delivery. For example, in case of Aludecor, if the material is not available, then we have to do the production. So the whole process takes 10 to 15 days. Then we have to communicate to the client that it will take 10 to 12 days, 15 days in mail as well as in the quotation. So here client is from Karnataka. We'll save this. So Karnataka is out of Maharashtra, so it will be sales OMS. We will mention the cost center. This client is belongs to Shukriya, so we'll mention here Shukriya. And the product he order is 365010. So as you can see, the stock is available with us. In case where we don't have stock, then there will be 0. And he ordered 2 rolls. One roll is equal to the 600 square feet. So 2 roll is equal to 1200 square feet. We give this material in rupees 59 per square feet. We don't charge sales delivery charges to the Pujar process. Why? Because we always send this material on 2-pay basis. 2-pay basis means client will pay to the transporter. So he is from Karnataka. We'll charge him IGST. Output IGST. We'll save the PI. It can happen that we are sending the PI for two roles and in future client share order for one role. Then we can tag the same PI to the delivery challan and invoice for the partial quantity. And in case client order more material, then we have to revise PI first before tagging to the challan and invoice. So in this case, let us say that Pujar is ready to order two rolls. So what will be the next step? So the next step will be raise the challan. Then we'll go to the delivery challan. Last delivery challan is 1757. So currently it will be 1758. The process is same. Alt A, Control R, 175 will mention here. So today itself Puja uh, give us go ahead. So we are maintaining the same date. So 514 is the PI number we share with him and he gave us the go ahead. So in this case, if Pujari is ordering two rolls and he is issuing PO also, then we will tag the PI and in a delivery challan or in other reference, we can mention the PO number also here. Let us say he shares us the PO number PO dash Pujar 1902. Okay, Control A will move ahead. Puja's billing address and shipping address is one and the same. So we'll keep it as it is. Here we have to mention cost center. And as you can see, once we tag the PI, all details reflect automatically. So we'll save the challan. And the last step is challan in invoice and raise the invoice. We save the challan. We'll go to sales. We'll move. Sale raise is 2510. So next will be 2511. Client name is Pujar Process. DC number 175. So you can see in order PI number is showing. And this is how we will save our tax invoice. That's all the process of raising PI. Then after confirmation from client, issuing the delivery challan and tagging delivery challan